How to order in Best Buy app. Let's get started. Launch your Best Buy app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now over here you're gonna find different items. Head towards the items that you wanna order, or also you can search for the item. At the top you're gonna see the search box. Over there you can type in the item name and then search for it. Once item appears, just click on it and then select the details for the item. After you select it, you can add the item to the cart. Once you are done selecting and adding the item to the cart, at the top right corner you're gonna find the cart icon. Click on that. Now over here you're gonna find all the items that you have added to the cart for the purchase. From here you can check in for the items that you wanna check out for and then click on the option of checkout. Now here you have to provide the shipping address, likewise shipping details, and then select your payment method. After you provide all the details, you can click on the option of continue to payment information. Then you'll need to select your payment method and go through the process. With that, your order will be placed. So this way you can easily order in Best Buy app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.